Warm good morning to my dear students. Today I'm going to introduce the concept of refrigerator and how it is related to an important thermodynamics law. So what is a refrigerator? A refrigerator is a device which maintains the temperature of a space or any substance below the temperature of the surroundings. So in order to maintain the temperature of the space or substance below the temperature of the surroundings, the refrigerator has to remove heat from that particular space or substance and transfer it to the surroundings. That is, heat should be taken from the space or surroundings, from the space or substance, and it has to be transferred to the surroundings. So we can note an important point here. So in order to transfer heat from a space or substance to the surroundings, where the surroundings is a high temperature body and the space or substance will be a low temperature body. So we have to transfer heat from the low temperature body to a high temperature body. So by nature, heat always flows from a high temperature body to a low temperature body. In order to make the heat to flow from low temperature body to high temperature body, we need to give some work. We need to give work as input to transfer the heat from the low temperature body to high temperature body. So we come to know that it is impossible to transfer heat from low temperature body to a high temperature body without the aid of external work. So this is practically applicable in a refrigerator. This refrigerator receives heat work input through the compressor and takes away heat from the evaporator and transfers it to the surroundings. So this is what is actually explained by the thermodynamics law, which is called as the second law of thermodynamics as given by the Kelvin Planck. So it is called as Kelvin Planck statement of second law of thermodynamics. So what is the statement of second law of thermodynamics? It is impossible to construct a device which, working in a cyclic process, can transfer heat from a low temperature body to a high temperature body without the aid of any external work. So this is what is the statement of second law of thermodynamics, and the refrigerator clearly functions as per the second law of thermodynamics. It receives work as input in the compressor, compresses and takes away heat from the evaporator and transfers it to the surroundings. So the practical application of second law of thermodynamics is the refrigeration process. So this loss of heat represents a loss of efficiency, which means that refrigeration system will consume more energy than that is strictly necessary to cool the space and will produce more waste heat that contributes to overall energy demand of the facility. So to improve the efficiency of the refrigerator systems, so various strategic methods have been developed, like improving the compressor efficiency, improving the insulation of the cold spaces, and using alternate refrigerants. All these have been incorporated now. The refrigeration systems are more efficient than before. Thank you for the listening.